Right, so what goes into final finishing treatment of a leather sheath? We'll have a little bit of a chat as well. What's going on? Wessex Blades. Thanks for joining me. Do we start in? Let's do it right now. So as I start using this conditioner, now top coat of carnauba cream. Right. So in this sheath, that is a fold round sheath, double lock stitch. The outer stitch run is double stitched, so it go down there, up there, and then back all the way down to there. Actually pouring the conditioner down that side. It goes into the holes before evening the coating up. I used to use this stuff, but I've heard that over time this oxidizes the leather, so I don't do that anymore. What I use is this. So that's one treatment. Onto the flesh side of the belt loop, pack it down inside the holes, up and over. And then what you can do is you put an outer layer of carnauba cream. Set that aside to dry. Onto a different one. Already had the treatment. What this is due is about a fifth layer of carnauba. You can buff that up at a later date. And the blade, touch of 3-in-1. Okay, back to the other little one. Dry a second. basically buffing the spine up a little. That way if you want. Right, this one is available, so hit me up at Wessex Blades UK, yahoo.com. If you're a new customer, need an age check, ID check, but there's some pretty quick on the draw people, so you can't be putting it off for another day. It's a Merlin, but very compact, very tough piece of kit, this one. Some yellow stitching, ferro rod in beech, and the blade itself short, sort of task camp carver. Sweet, lovely scales on it, and very comfortable in hand. Vicious spine, so that one is available. Chris, I shall be emailing you if you get in contact with me now that this one's complete. You can settle up and then get it off posted to you. Obviously re-ping your address just in case you may have moved. That's a beautiful set of tooling on there, stitching on the back, Wessex Blades stitching pattern on the belt loop, and that is a beautiful hardwood. That's a Dane lower, and thanks for your patience getting through it. Got a Westmont coming up and the completion of Ralph Yeoman. I've just done him. And over the top. Good customers, mate. Got to look after good customers. So thanks, Ralph, for your patience. That's on its way once I get the sheath done and everything else. But it's on its way. Back in the sleeve. Loads to do, loads on. Thanks everybody for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. It's got Wessex Blades 8.